trusted as he went along his way, when all at once a mighty herd of red-eyed cows he saw, plowing through the ragged skies in an upper cloudy draw. Their brands were still on fire, their roofs were made of steel, their horns were black and shiny, and their hot breath you could feel. A bolt of fear went through him as they thundered through the sky, for he saw the riders coming hard, and he heard their mournful cries. Yippee-i-oh, yippee-i-yay, ghost riders in the sky. Their eyes are blurred, their shirts all soaked with sweat. He's riding hard to catch that herd, but he ain't caught him yet, 'cause they've gotta ride forever on their range up in the sky, on horses, sword and fire.